have arrived to one of the most opulent museums here in Paris.
In this video, I will take you on a tour of this hidden gem. If this room feels familiar, that's because Dracula was filmed here. Dracula comes here to look for Elizabeth. In the movie, he said that he went to Versailles to look for her, but it was actually filmed here. The building may look new, but it's actually a centuries-old palace, restored for 132 million euros. It was also Paris Fashion Week, so some amazing designs were showcased here. The palace stands here since 1757 and even witnessed the French Revolution. It stored and managed treasures of Versailles, furniture, tapestries and jewels. Among them, the legendary crown diamond of France, a 67-carat blue gem once worn by Louis XIV. During the French Revolution, a mob stormed the building. The crown diamond was stolen, later recut and renamed the Hope diamond. The royal intendant, responsible for protecting these treasures, was devastated. Legend says his spirit still roams the halls counting what was lost. His private apartments remain some of the most atmospheric in Paris, elegant, restrained and eerily timeless. Every element, Leon silk, baccarat chandeliers and rosewood furniture has been restored using original techniques. Restorers claimed they sometimes felt chills or heard faint sounds while working. This scene from Dracula is one of my favorites, and it was filmed in this room. Everything is recreated exactly as it was in the 18th century. The palace later became home to the French Navy, headquarters for fleets during Napoleon's reign. It witnessed major moments: imperial expansion, revolution, occupation, and liberation. During World War II, the palace became the German Navy's Paris headquarters. The Intendant's bathroom was among the first in Paris to feature early forms of plumbing, a rare luxury at that time. When the French Navy left in 2015, the palace fell silent for the first time in over 2 centuries. A 6-year restoration began, costing around 132 million euros. Over 550 rooms were revived, every panel regilded, every curtain rewoven. This palace has been my favorite for years, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you. During Paris Fashion Weeks, couture shows are hosted in these salons.
This museum is overlooking the square where Marie Antoinette was executed.
The loggia overlooking the square remains the most haunting viewpoint, the same that watched the revolution unfold. The square where the guillotine once waited and where Marie Antoinette took her final steps. That's why a palace that refuses to die, making it the perfect stage for Dracula's immortal love.
During the French Revolution, the guillotine was right here, on the spot where this Egyptian obelisk now is standing. So here Marie Antoinette was executed on this exact spot. This is the plate that is actually saying that this was the Revolution Square, and here was carried out the public executions of Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette.